Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Today at the shop we have a 2014 BMW Mini Cooper. Great little car, but we're going to talk today about the importance of maintenance on these vehicles. This vehicle, like many today, have what is called a gas direct injected engine, commonly known as GDI. Some of the manufacturers, such as Hyundai, promote this. It's great fuel efficiency, and better fuel economy. Cuts down on emissions, but the issue is that we can get carbon buildup within the engine, and if left unaddressed and unattended, it can wreak havoc and cause damage to the point where you've got a drivability issue such as rough running, check engine light flashing, or a dead cylinder, as is the case with this vehicle. So we're here today with our man Drew. Everybody knows Drew. Say hi, Drew.
Hi, Drew.
And what have we got in our hand today, Drew? That seems kind of expensive.
It is. We've got a pretty cool bore scope here.
A bore or what?
Scope.
Okay, and what does that do?
Well, it's kind of like what the doctor uses when they need to check out some parts of your body. There's little...
That's an ungraphic way of putting it. That's...
Okay, well, try to be as polite as I can.
Appreciate that.
Little LCD screen. This is a scope with adjustable LEDs to get some lighting.
Okay.
And we're going to go down into the cylinder.
Am I getting that? Can you see? I want to make sure that we're
there, about there. So we're going down into the cylinder. There you can see the threads for the spark plug holes. Going down a little bit further down, and you
what's all that black stuff?
That is an awful lot of carbon buildup.
Oh no!
These are aluminum pistons, as you can probably see through some of the stuff scraping through. But all that black sludge on top is carbon buildup. What Mike was talking about. Yeah, that's one of the byproducts of these gas direct injection vehicles. It's great for fuel atomization, but part of the regular maintenance on these vehicles is to do induction cleanings and clean all the carbon off from the injector tips, the injector nozzles, from the back of the valves. Depending on the vehicle, they've got so many different designs. Some have them spraying on the back of the intake valve. It will build up carbon on the back of the intake valve, again reducing fuel efficiency because the carbon is just going to soak up the fuel instead of going all in the cylinder. Within the cylinder, it helps reduce the spray pattern and the fuel atomization within the cylinder. It'll all help contribute to not as good fuel economy, and it'll start going down. But this needs to be done on a regular basis, generally within 25,000 K. About every 25,000 K, it should have fuel system and induction cleaning.
So everyone out there that has like a 2012 Hyundai Elantra, for example, is a great example. If you go and trade that vehicle in and you get yourself a 2019 or 2018, even a 2015, it is not the same engine as your 2012. The new gas direct injected engines are a new technology, and it means that there's different maintenance that is required on your vehicle. You probably never did an induction service on your older vehicle, but in today's vehicles, this induction service is important. The question on everyone's mind, Drew, is this benign or malignant?
Unfortunately, this customer does have more of
the vehicle.
The vehicle.
Not the customer.
The vehicle.
Yeah.
Has a drivability issue, misfiring, rough running, and it's not just a matter of changing spark plugs or ignition coils. It's great to have, you need to have good, strong ignition to fire your direct injection system, but when that starts to fail, you're going to get more carbon buildup within the cylinder. And this is the byproduct, so it's not just going to be about changing spark plugs to make the car run better and all that. He does have an awful lot of carbon buildup within this engine here.
So we likely have internal damage. Possible.
Possibly. It's
Okay.
going to require a little bit further looking into, but definitely needing some cleaning of these cylinders.
Okay. So folks, bottom line is, if you want to avoid this kind of breakdown or kind of issue happening with your vehicle, if you do have a gas direct injected engine of any kind, by all means, you can book your appointment with us, and we'd be happy to do a service for you, give you a price on a service, what you're looking at, because the cost of a service is a lot less than the cost of an engine replacement. Bottom line. So, thanks very much, Drew, for your
Very welcome.
knowledge as usual. And thanks everybody for watching. Please subscribe below for more informational videos as we go along. These are meant to be entertaining and fun. Please feel free to share with your friends if you know someone who has a BMW, for example, or possibly a Hyundai that has a GDI and was told it's the greatest thing. They truly are. They're great, but you got to maintain them. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.